Ayusman, I am giving you the time, don't worry. So here the today topic is the conservation of the plants and animals. So you have seen this is the some different type of that forest, and this is the wildlife animal. Students, one thing keep in mind, what is deforestation? So the clearing of the forest and using the land for other purpose. So what happens that you see they are just cutting the plants and this land is going to become empty without plants. So the process of land for the cultivation, the forestry are cut down to obtain the more agricultural land for the cultivation of crops to feed the increasing population. This time, students, you know that is the big problem of the population. So they wanted to give the food or for the increasing population, they are required the some land for the cropping, for the cultivation. So what they do, they are just cutting the plant and finally they are just getting a land, building house and the factories also. You see, procuring land for the cultivation, building house and the factories, and using, so that one thing is the procuring land for the cultivation, building house and the factories, and using wood as a fuel for making of furniture also they are using this. Students, these are the some natural cause. Because of that, it is not always the man is going to cut the plant. Sometime what happens, the fire, this fire is going to burn this forest, and sometime what happens, the drought is also, that is the big problems for this destroying these plants, no. So this is also the one big problems for you all, you understand. So making of various product, this such as the paper or the wood for making the door, for making the window, or we are obtaining the some tree. So natural cause, it also include the forest, fire, sewer, and the drought, sewer drought. Let us, I am taking one questions of this Ayusman. Yes, Ayusman, ask your question please. Ayusman, ask your question.
मैंने रेज हैंड नहीं किया था सर.
Okay, fine, no problem. Maybe the Ansuman. Ansuman. Ansuman, please ask your question. Ansuman, please ask your question. Hello, Ansuman. Am I audible, Ansuman? Ansuman, am I audible? Okay, maybe he is also not having any question. No problem, students. I always ready. Whenever you have any problem, you are most welcome to ask the question. So this was the one deforestation, and what are the causes of the deforestation you have seen. With this all we have to take care. Very good. Let's, I am coming on the consequences of the deforestation. Students, deforestation has an adverse effect on the environment. Very important things. It will have the following consequences: various living organisms and the environment. So one thing you keep in your mind, what is that? The first that is the consequences of the deforestation are, it will increase the global warming. Global warming means that the plants are the having a carbon dioxide for the photosynthesis, and they are using it for just making their food. When the fewer trees will be left due to the deforestation, less carbon dioxide will be used as. So this will result in increasing amount of the temperature in the atmosphere. Temperature is going to be increases. So that will cause of the global warming, as the carbon dioxide trap the heat rays reflect by the sources of that plant system. So increasing the temperature and the pollution levels on the earth. See, the one Aditya has just raised the hand. Aditya Chaudhary, please ask your question. Aditya Chaudhary, please ask your question. Maybe the Aditya is not ready to ask the question. Aditya Srivastava, you are having any question? Aditya Srivastav? Okay, maybe they are not having any questions. Students, you are free to ask, don't worry. I'll definitely give you the answer. And student, this is the one thing, whenever we are cutting the tree, and definitely it will increase the temperature and the pollution level is also going to be increases, right? Pollution levels on the earth is also going to be increases. Second point, which are very important, increase in the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and that is also the cause. Because of that, the plants are going to be trap the carbon dioxides and they are just making a food with them. Even that in the ancient time you have seen in the previous and surrounding the roads also there are a lot of the tree, and that tree was basically what happens, that tree they are just used for absorbing the pollution. So that is the reason if lot of trucks and some that buses are also just going, and that time it was also trapped by the plants, and this time what happened, that lot of pollutions are there. Yes, Sneha Bhavsinka. Sneha. You unmute.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, deforestation also leads to global warming.
Yeah, definitely, because the plant is not going to trap the carbon dioxide, and the level of the carbon dioxide will be increases. And a possible consequence is that global warming, as a carbon dioxide trap the heat by the plant. If there is no plant, then definitely it will increase the global warming. Clear? Okay. Sneha. Okay, anyone else? The Sneha has asked a very good question. Thank you, Sneha, for coming forward and to asking the question. This was the great question asked by the Sneha, and thank you so much for the confidence level, and it was a very nice thing, students. Second students is here. I always welcome that is the Vaishnavi. Please, Vaishnavi, you ask your question.
Sir,
Yes.
how are the small animal important in ecosystem?
Yeah, definitely, students. All the things the some predators and that are used for that food purpose. So every animals are going to eat the other animals. Yes. So that is the reason if they are not existing in that, so their food chain is going to be broken. So every small organisms, every small animals are important for the ecosystem. Okay.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Anything else, my dear? Here the Ayushman is also. Yes, please, Ayushman, you ask your question. You are welcome.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ask your question.
What is biosphere reserve?
Okay, where the animals and plant both are going to live together, that is called biosphere.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. That the great students, and that was the curiosity level of the students. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Whenever your question comes, it means that you are running on the right steps, students, and you are asking the good questions, and that was really a good enhancement of the knowledge. I am just talking about the one thing, lowering of the groundwater level. That is also the cause of that deforestation, because you have seen the plant root are going to absorb the water, and that water level is maintaining by the plant. So that lowering of the groundwater, the water level is going very down. So that is also the big problems of the deforestation, students. So that's all for today. Next day we will discuss more. Thank you so much, and bye bye.